The difference quotient of polynomial function is essential and foundational to calculus. So what is the difference quotient? Well, you'd better memorize this. F of x plus h minus f of x over h. So you can memorize that. There, that's for you to see good. Now, we're gonna take a function and plug it in, right? So let f of x be, let's say, I'm thinking 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. Because why not, right? So here's what we have so far one more time, just so y'all can see it real good. Now this is the principal idea we began with. So let's begin by plugging these numbers into this part right here. Just this part, right? Right here. So f of, so here we're gonna plug in everything that's down here. 3, but instead of x, we're gonna put x plus h in there. Like so. Just like that. And don't forget to square it. Two, instead of x, we're gonna have x plus h. Plus 4. And then the other part here, a pro tip for y'all to make sure that you don't drop the negative is just put this in brackets. That way you can remember to distribute the negative. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna leave these in brackets. So since this right here, f of x, is just the same as this right here, which is the same as this right here, we're just gonna put down this right here. So 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. Alrighty, now what we're gonna do, make sure it stays over h, right? Always keep the h there so we can keep track of it. Now we're gonna move on and start this is eliminated right here. Don't mind that little f there. So we're gonna distribute. First, but before we distribute the 3, we have to FOIL x plus h. And how do we do that? Well, that would be like x plus h times x plus h. So doing that real quick, it would be x squared plus hx plus xh, which is the same as 2xh plus, this right here is gonna be h squared, right? Now we can distribute this, but before we do that, let's continue with the good work we're doing. 2x, we're gonna distribute this, right? 2x plus 2h and plus 4. And we're gonna go ahead and distribute this negative right here before we forget about it. So we're gonna change all the signs. 3x becomes negative 3x. Negative 3x. All this is gonna be over h, of course. So negative 3x squared minus 2x and this is gonna be a negative form instead of what I told y'all before. So just disregard that. It's a minus 4 at the end, right? And it becomes a positive 4 because I distributed the negative. So far, so good. Now we're ready to continue distributing this right here. Well, all we have to do is distribute to 3. So we're gonna do that up here. 3x squared plus 6, 3 times 2 is 6. X squared, xh I mean, plus 3. As I was saying, 3h squared, right? Because we just distributed this 3 down here. Now, plus 2x plus 2h plus 4 minus 3x squared minus 2x. I'm just copying what I got down here. Plus 4. So far, so good. Over h. Don't forget your over h. At this point, we can start eliminating some things. Like this 3x squared. Got positive and negative there, so we just eliminate those. And we can also eliminate our negative 2x and our positive 2x right there. So we're left with 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2h, and as we established in the function after I edited it, this was always a minus right here, right? It's pretty obvious. Yes, which simplifies things, because that means that this up here, we just carry that straight up there, right? So these 4's cancel each other out as well, which is very convenient. So we're left with only these 3 terms, which I pulled down here, over h. Now, you might be tempted to go ahead and cross out the h's, but don't do that. Don't be improper. You have to properly factor. What's the greatest common factor of these? It's h. So you'd have h outside the parentheses, 6x plus 3h, because it's squared, right? So you have 1h left, plus 2. Alrighty, that's over h. Now we can go ahead and cancel these out. So your answer is 6x plus 3h plus 2. Another pro tip for you, sometimes to keep myself awake and to cure boredom, I like to nibble on some chipotle peppers while I do the math.